Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add the S Pen sound effects on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Pentastic doesn't just stop at visuals, it can also add custom sound effects for your S Pen, like a scratch sound, a pen click, or even a quirky audio tone. So here, when I go ahead and insert my S Pen into the phone, you'll hear a sound effect. When I go ahead and remove it, you'll hear another sound effect. So let me show you how you can do this on your Samsung Galaxy device. So first you want to go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Here you want to go ahead and search for any sound effects you want to apply. So you want to go ahead and apply two sound effects, one when you're removing a pen and one when you're inserting the pen back in. So here is an example. I've just basically searched for car starting sound. So I'll go ahead and use this for my S Pen. I'll download it. Now, once I've downloaded, I can go ahead and search for another one, and then I'll download this as well. Now I can go press home. I'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and open up Pentastic. Here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see sound. So currently, I've set it to a custom sound. So you want to go ahead and swipe all the way left, find custom sound. Go ahead and remove this sound. So this is a remove sound and this is an insert sound. So you want to go ahead and change this. So I'll go ahead and use the car engine to remove, and the insert, I'll go ahead and use this. Now I'll tap on use. So now when you go ahead and remove the S Pen, and when I go ahead and put it back in, this is the sound I get when I remove and insert the S Pen. So this increases immersion when using the S Pen. It makes your writing on your device feel more realistic, almost like using paper. It's fun, creative, it stands out by customizing your S Pen audio feedback. And there you go guys, that is how to add the S Pen sound effects on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.